Okay, hello everyone. So I want to show you the new banking AI-powered banking call center powered by BimpeAI. So this is currently live at call center bimpe.ai. I'm just going to log in with this information. Admin at New Age Bank, enter the password, and this is going to take us straight into the dashboard. So right here, this is what the an overview of the dashboard, right? We have this is just a mock banking dashboard for internal use, right? So we have the dashboard that just shows the customers, calls, cards. This is a call center, by the way. So and from this main dashboard home page, you can see the recent calls and recent transactions. Just to get that, then you have the customers, then you have the calls, right? And then you have the transactions too. You also have monitoring where you can see live calls that are currently going on, queues, calls that are currently queued up and ended calls, which is literally just like the call section that we have right there. You also have some current queue information that you can also see from there. You have you can manage the agents, which are the humans that can log into the dashboard. So, but what we after right now is the calls, right? And how can we view that? So, if you go to a customer section, by the way, to demo this, you actually need a live phone number. So, if you want to demo this with your own phone number, you need to add a new customer yourself. You put in your account number. It can be any number. Make sure it is unique. For your full name, your date of birth, it's required. Just put in an email address and then your phone number, international formats, because that's the phone number we'll be using to track. As this call center has to do with phone calls, right? So and then your address. So I'm just going to cancel this. I already added one. So this is Abdul Nasir customer profile. You can see the email, account number, phone number, date of birth, the address, and then here you can see that it has some cards right here on this dashboard. The agents can actually manage, just so we can mimic some actions that can be carried out on the bank's internal dashboard, so they can change what the card type is and change the status, which is going to be important when we test the AI workflows. And then you can add more cards. You can see the recent calls, the recent activities too. We'll come to what activities mean. And then right here, you can see the recent transaction. And right here, the agents can also manage the transaction by changing the status or maybe reverse the transaction for some reasons. And then right here, which is the main part, is you can see this. We can manage the customer. Then we have this first section, which is direct AI call with no AI. So right here from this interface, the bank agents can actually place a call directly to the customer, no AI involved, just like making a phone call directly to the customer. So the bank agents will be able to talk directly from the browser to the customer over the customer's phone call. The second option, which is the customer center intake, which has this AI button, allows you to select a workflow that is going to call the customer. So these are different AI workflows that is going to actually call the customer. But this one that you can see, which is at the very top, the customer center, is like a main agent workflow, main AI agent workflow. So it is aware of the other workflows. It's going to greet the customer, ask them what kind of issues they are having, then directs them to the workflow that is going to handle their request. So if you select the customer care center, it's going to present them with options. Oh, it can help them with their lost stolen cards, card pickup information, fraud confirmation, account activity, and then it reroutes the customer to that particular workflow in the same call. So or if you this is so that we can demo this, but normally this should be inbound calls. Customer is meant to call the bank, and the customer center intake workflow picks up the call and determines what the customer wants. But for the purpose of this demo, we'll just be doing outbound calls. And then we have these add transactions so that you can just add some mock transactions right here. And then you can also turn off AI from answering the phone calls. This works with inbound calls. Um, thank you. Now we are going to demo phone call to a customer. So right here, we know we already have the customer information, right? And I'm just going to put this up so that we can also listen to it. So I can start with the customer care center right now. and then dial this. You're going to see that it's going to dial those very soon. The call is going to come in, and we're going to pick and interact with the AI itself. As you can see right here, so I'm going to take the call on my phone and put it on speaker.
How can I help you today?
Yes, I'm good. I want to report a stolen card and I'm trying to block it. Oh, sorry, my debit card.
I'm getting that set up for you right now. All set. We'll proceed with blocking your stolen debit card. Could you please provide your full name and, if you have it handy, your account number or date of birth to verify your identity before we block the card?
Yes, so my name is Abdul Wahab Nasir.
Thank you, Abdul Wahab Nasser. To complete the verification, could you share either your account number or your date of birth in year, month, day format?
Oh, okay, my account number is 8147638236.
And just verifying your details now. Thanks for your patience. It looks like the account number matches, but the name on record is Abdul Wahab Nasser, which is slightly different from what you provided. Could you confirm that Abdul Wahab Nasser is the correct name on your account? If not, I might need your date of birth to verify your.
Yes, that is the account. That's the name. So I'm going to mute this right now. You can see right here, we also have some options where the bank agents can also start listening in on the conversation right here, and they can also badge in, join or badge into the AI call, right? So I'm just going to end this for now. So if they badge into the call, they can start talking, and the AI is going to be paused while they are trying to talk directly to the customers, and they can also end the call directly from here. So once they badge in, the AI is going to automatically stop responding to the customer, and they can talk directly from the browser with the customer. And right here, you can see on this section, we can see that the conversation history and how it is also calling the different actions. Like right now, it's transferred them to different workflow, which is the workflow to process the lost or stolen credit cards. And we can also see the conversation between the AI and the user. So when it is time to also take out the action for blocking the card, is going to pop up in activities as the bank admin will actually have to verify it, and we don't allow the AI to take the action instantly by themselves, but it will be marked as completed so that the customer can move on to some other things. Thank you very much.